How to change ribbons views in Outlook apps. I'm going to show you how you can change the ribbons views as per your requirement in Outlook app. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Outlook. So currently I'm using the classic ribbons view. In this ribbons I can see all commands and all ribbons here. Okay, so you can see this is a ribbons for window user. If you're using a PC, then this ribbon is a very useful, but if you're using any a touch screen, your iPhone or iPad, then you can use the classic the customized ribbons, or you can say simplified ribbons. How you can change the ribbons in Outlook app, I'll show you. So just right click anywhere in blank area, and you can see there is a customized ribbon. You can customize your ribbons. Click on customize, and this is your current ribbons. Okay, this is your main tab. Under the main tab, this is the home. Okay, search home, and you can add any commands from here. You can go for all commands, and you can add any commands to the any uh, you know ribbons here, and just click on OK. You can also create a new group of here. New group will be created like this, and you can add any commands from here. Just select and add the command, it will be add, and just click on OK. Okay, the another option, collapse ribbons. So if you click on collapse ribbons, all ribbons will be collapse. Okay, like this. So now use the simplify look like this. Okay, simplify useful if you're using the touchscreen mobile, touchscreen iPad, or touchscreen any device, then this is very useful. This is very shortcuts, and you can use it. Now just click on any blank area, right click on any blank area, and you can move to the classic one. So classic also useful for the window, you can see. So I can switch as I think you know that. Just click any blank area under the commands, and you can switch the ribbons. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.